In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put stickers over iMessages on your iPhone. This fun and simple feature can add a touch of personality and humor to your chats, making your conversations more lively and engaging. Now, let's dive right in and explore how you can easily decorate your iMessages with stickers. First, pick up your iPhone and navigate to the Messages app. Once you're in, open up any conversation. It doesn't matter which chat you choose, as stickers can be applied to any message thread you're in. This initial step is all about getting yourself set up and ready to begin the fun process of jazzing up your messages with stickers. Next, once you're within your desired conversation, cast your eyes towards the bottom of the screen. Just to the left of the text input box, you'll notice an A icon. This icon is your gateway to the world of iMessage apps. Go ahead and tap it. By doing this, you are unlocking a variety of features, including getting access to the magical world of stickers. This step is crucial, as it opens up the tools you need to enhance your messages. Now that you have unlocked the iMessage apps, you'll see a drawer full of different options. Take your time to swipe through the available options until you come across a sticker pack that catches your eye. Whether it's Memoji, Bitmoji, or any of the numerous third-party packs available, select something that suits your style and the mood of your conversation. Setting your sights on the perfect sticker pack can indeed make all the difference in portraying the right expression or sentiment. With your sticker pack of choice open and ready, it's time to add some flair to your conversation. Select a sticker you'd like to use, and here's where the fun begins. Tap and hold the sticker. This gesture will allow you more control over where you'd like your sticker to be placed. Think of it as a playful way to interact with the message thread, bringing in animated expressions and a dash of humor. Once the sticker is tethered to your finger on the screen, drag it over to the exact spot you'd like it to appear on the chat. You can hover it over any message bubble, whether you're placing it on a witty remark from a friend or embellishing one of your own texts. The choice is yours. This step invites creativity and personal expression, allowing for a delightful customization of your messaging experience. Finally, when you find that perfect spot, release the sticker to drop it gently into place. And just like that, your sticker is now part of the conversation, adding a dynamic touch to your interaction. Whether it's to emphasize a point, convey emotion, or just to have a bit of fun, stickers offer a versatile and entertaining way to enrich your messaging. And there you have it. You now know how to put stickers over iMessages on your iPhone, adding a colourful and personal element to your everyday conversations. Keep exploring and find which stickers work best for you, and enjoy this creative messaging feature.